The video tutorials that we have on our website are extremely important, and the reason for that is that it will help you to reduce the number of hours you spend in the car. Unfortunately, if you don't know your the driving theory that you need to be able to deal with the road correctly, your instructor has to spend more time pulling up next to the road and then taking you through the various aspects of the theory. This is especially important when it comes to the theory that you need for roundabouts, or the invisible zebra crossing at a T-junction, or signaling procedures and things like that. The better you know all of these theoretical parts of the driving, the less time the instructor will have to spend with you teaching you the theory. So doing our video tutorials reduces the cost and also helps you to get through your driving test much easier. People always say they're extremely nervous when they go to the test. Well, nervousness is normally a lack of knowledge. It shows to an extent a lack of knowledge. Not always true, I must say. But the more you know when you approach your driving test, the better your knowledge is in terms of approach to many roundabouts, open roundabouts, closed roundabouts, signaling procedures, use of mirrors, T-junctions, traffic lights, all these things which are covered in our videos. The easier it will be for you to pass your driving test, and the less time the instructor spends taking you through the theory. So please help yourself to our video tutorials. Pass us comments. We'll freely make them available to you.